Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word allows you to insert various shapes into your document. For example, you could place a circle around important information in a document. If you use Word to create marketing flyers, newsletters, or other types of publications, you may want to insert various types of shapes to add visual interest to your documents. Inserting shapes into your document is easy. Just click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. You can then view a drop-down menu of all the various shapes that you can insert. Roll your mouse pointer over the shape you want to insert and then click it to select it. Your mouse pointer will then appear as a black crosshair when you place it back over the document. Decide where you want the shape to appear in your document and then click and drag across the area in the document where you want the shape to appear. The shape will then be inserted into your document when you release your mouse button. You also have a few other techniques available to you that you can use to assist you in creating shapes. For example, you can hold down the Shift key as you click and drag while drawing in order to create a perfect version of a selected shape. For example, holding down the Shift key when drawing lines will make the line perfectly straight. You can create perfect circles and squares by simply using this method in conjunction with either the oval or rectangle shape as needed. If you don't care about setting the size of the shape as you insert it, then you can actually use a different method to insert a selected shape. Using this method, you would still start by selecting the shape from the ribbon using the Shapes button as you normally would. You then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. You then simply click once at the place in the document where you want to position the upper left corner of the shape. Word will insert a shape with a default size into the position at which you clicked. Once you have inserted a shape into your document, the mouse pointer returns to its default behavior and you exit Word's drawing mode. However, sometimes you may want to draw several of the same shape without having to go back and reselect the same shape from the Shapes button over and over again. In this case, you may want to lock Word into its drawing mode as you select your desired shape from the Shape button's drop-down menu. To do this, simply right-click on the shape that you want to draw within the drop-down menu instead of clicking it. From the pop-up menu that appears, click the Lock Drawing Mode command. Now you can return to your document and draw as many instances of the selected shape as you want. Note that you can cancel the drawing mode lock by simply pressing the Escape key on your keyboard or by right-clicking into the blank area of the document. After you draw a shape, the shape will appear selected within the document. However, if it's not selected, you can click it in order to select it prior to formatting the shape. Once the shape has been selected, you will see the Format tab of the Drawing Tools Contextual tab appear in the ribbon. This tab provides you with several formatting options for the selected shape. We will now examine what formatting options are available for selected shapes. You'll find that many of the formatting options are very similar to the options available when formatting selected pictures. It's important to note that if you have a text-containing shape, ensure that you have selected the whole shape and not simply the text inside of the shape. You can tell when you have selected the whole shape when it displays a solid line border. If the text inside of a shape is selected, then the border will instead appear as a dashed or dotted line.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.